Tingnan, auntie.
Hello, Len. And Daniel, how are you? Michelle, how are you? Kumusta na kayo dyan? Ah, hello, Michelle. Kumusta ka na dyan? Kumusta yung mga baby ni Linlin? Linlin, kumusta ang mga baby mo? Alam ko malalaki na sila. Pakumustahan mo na lang ako sa mga biyanan mo, all of them. Thank you.
Kayo, Nay.
Hello, Daniel. How are you? I'm still dancing. You say to me, no, stop dancing. No, I'm still dancing. Daniel, Lilin, how are you? The kids, I love you all. Kailan ka darating, Lilin, dito? Hinihintay kita bago ako mamatay. I'm old already. Michelle, how are you? Are you not coming home? Come home. Michelle. Bye-bye.